Hi Stallions, this is Module 4, Lesson 26 Problem Set, and you are going to be working with these cube sticks today to determine which number bond is going to match the cube stick train. I actually want you to come down to the bottom down here, and we're going to be counting those gray cubes, so if you could please count those gray cubes for me down there. And now count the white cubes. So you should have 4 gray cubes and 5 white cubes. Now I want you to count all of the cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 cubes all together. So if you kind of look at this, it looks a little bit like a number bond. We have 4 and 5 make 9 all together. So now what you're going to be doing is looking over here at these tricky number bonds. And you're going to find which one of these 4 number bonds over here matches 4 and 5 makes 9. See if you can look for a few minutes and see if you can find the number bond that matches. 9 is 5 and 4. I'll wait here while you're looking. I hope you found that one. You're going to take your pencil, and if you have a ruler, you could draw it with the ruler, but you don't have to have a ruler. So you're going to connect those lines together. Then I want you to come up to the next one and count how many are here, plus how many are here, how many all together, and you need to come over here and find the number bond that matches 3 and some more. Makes 9. See if you can figure out which one that number bond matches. Boys and girls, if this is too challenging for you, I would like for you to sign up for a small group mini lesson so that you can get some help with this activity. If you're doing just fine, finish this activity. After hitting pause, when you're done, hit play and we'll do the next page together. So hit pause and finish this page. Okay, boys and girls, here is the next problem that you're going to be working on. You're going to be needing a pencil for this activity. It says draw and color cube sticks to match the number bond. Fill in the number bond if it isn't complete. So if I look over here, we have 9 all together, 5 and 4 as the part. So let's go ahead and draw that. So I'm going to need 5 cubes in one train and 4 cubes in the other train. 9 equals 5 and 4. So now we're going to draw a cube train that matches 9 as the whole number. 8 is one of the parts, and you need to figure out the mystery part. 8 and what other number makes 9? Please draw the cube train right here. Down here it says create your own 9 cube stick and fill in the number bond. If this is a little bit too tricky for you, what you could do is go get 9 cubes and you can act out this story. You can act out 9 and you can make you could snap them in half and have 5 and 4. If you want to act this one out, you'll have a cube train of 9. You'll snap off 8 and see how many you have left. And if you want to act this one out, you get to choose. You'll snap it wherever you want and fill in this number bond. Again, if this is too challenging for you, please sign up for a small group mini lesson so that you could do this with your teacher. Have fun!